Got a mailbag and some packages. Well, let's just dive right in. This one says test hook clips. Alright, they are test clips. These are kind of the cheap plastic ones. They don't have a, I guess you just gotta solder to them. They don't have a pin. These are really chip clips, IC clips, not really good for wires. Mostly for clipping on a terminal of a, a lead of a chip. Very limited into what size you can. Yeah, TO23 is probably the smallest thing you're gonna get with that. Without specialized clips. These are just cheap. I just need some cheap test clips for hooking up to a logic probe. Get this stuff out of the way. Mobile phone parts. These are female to female banana jack adapters. Very cool. I don't have these yet, so I just bought some. Sometimes you have a jack. Sometimes you have something and you have something else and you can't use them. So most of my probes I've made and have are female probes that I can put on an extension. But these alligator clips come in short pieces of male. So I bought some of these so I could still use them at my bench. Of course, I've already started making some too. I bought some of these. I bought some of these connectors. So I'll make some. I'm gonna make some more up. Different things. I'll probably just cut these off and make my own, so I don't have to use these. But add them to my banana clip collection of banana plug collection. Adapters, USB light. Alright, so I bought these before and I liked them, so I bought some more. I don't know what color this is. Let me check them out. These are in another mailbag of mine, but I bought some new ones. And these are white. I don't know if you can see that. These are white. Let's see, I think I have a plug around here somewhere. Alright, so these are little white lights. So I like to plug these around my bench to have little night lights to light up my benches so I can peek in and see where this, if I left anything out. Or pretty cool. I put it on like my oscilloscopes to see when it's on, and anything with a USB port. I just plug these little lights in. They're cute. These would be good for you put in your car though, to have little some lights in the back seats or something like that. That's probably what I'm going to do with these. Got two of them. This is a tools. This is probably a monocle. A Loupe. Yeah. This is a 10x Loupe. Very good. Nice. I like it. Lens isn't great, but it's clean. Well, not clean, but clear. So. Where's the camera on this thing? I'm gonna give you something you can actually see. There's a poor man's macro lens. How do I get it? I gotta figure out how to get it on the right on the lens. Here we go. Not great. 15 or 20 would be better, but it's cool. Cheap. Next, silicone wire. All right, it's silicone wire, and I hate. The only problem I have with silicone wire is the red is never red. It's always some weird color of red. Look, I got 3 different reds here. Look at this. 3 different red colors. So now I'm going to get a jack and hook this up to a jack, and it's going to be 2 different colors. It's going to look stupid. But I got these for my bench, because you know, sometimes you're just doing low voltage. You don't need big giant banana plugs. So I got some of these so I can make some small test clips and test leads, and so when they're on your bench, they don't really take up a lot of space. And they're silicone. They feel like they might be silicone. I can't really tell. They say 18 AWG 200 Celsius. 200 Celsius, that sounds about right for silicone. I can test it and see. It does smell a little funky. It smells a little rubbery though, so I don't know. We'll see. I'm probably gonna buy some more. I don't think I'm gonna like those. They look kind of cheap. This doesn't say. This looks like oh look, more banana jacks. These are. I think I was just talking about these. These are female banana jacks. Let me get one of these out. Oh, they're in a separate bag. Nice. Nice, very nice. So that's just a snap fit. Probably got a solder cup. Yeah, it's got a solder cup in the back, or you can go all the way through. There you go. All right, cool. Got some female inline shrouded banana jacks. I like shrouded so that you don't have to worry about things shorting out or touching anything. 50 S4. Is that diodes? S4. Yeah. I don't know what S4s are. Signal diodes, I guess. That might be 4148s. 50 diodes. And I bought this color change clock. The pictures looked really cool, but let's see what it is. Yeah, and it's just really, really cheap. Chinesium. Let's see what I got here. I think I got some AAAs. Yeah. Got some AAAs here. Alright, so it's got a clock, an alarm, and temperature. Oh, Fahrenheit. And I think it's got light. Oh, there you go. Oh, it's got little buttons on the bottom. So when you tap it, it turns the light on. It's like a night light. It's really cute for kids. I mean, it's garbage. If they break it, they break it. It's I think it was like $6, $5. I was thinking maybe I could tear it open and modify it and use the diffusion as a... Put my own board in there and control the clock with my own microcontroller. But this is really, really cheap. I don't even see screws. There's no screws, so this must... Oh, yeah, it's just glued. Does it come apart? Oop, I'm gonna break the screen. It looks like... Yeah, it's just a really cheap board in there. It looks like it's really glued really well in the front, right here on the LCD. I might have to dissolve it to get it open. I feel like, yeah, this LCD is stressing, it's gonna break. I'll try to use some solvent or something and dissolve that without dissolving the plastic. This is really, really cheap. I just want to see what's in there. How'd they get this so cheap? It's got a buzzer. Got some buttons. This is pretty cool. Huh. If you can get a discount deal and you were buying them in bulk, maybe it's worth it. But I've seen some of these being sold. They put stickers on each side. The sides are all flat. It's like a photo cube, I think. You can put sticker photos on the sides. But I mean, it's just really cheap. They can make it a little bit nicer, mold and plastic, and it would be much nicer. So yeah, no, it's junky. Pretty junky. Alright, and I got this at the surplus store. Oh shoot. Got this at the surplus store. It's a Polaroid wireless speaker. I guess it's Bluetooth. Jeez, I can't... Sure sealed really well. I thought it was cute. Yeah, it's cute. I like the look of it. It's really cute. It's really cheap. I'm probably just going to use it as a test, for testing audio. Put a jack on it, an amplifier, use the one that's already in there. Or use it to play Bluetooth, alerts or something. But it's real cute. I like the look of it. I thought it'd be cute to, as a case, I could cut this out, put an LCD, and then put a controller. You got two buttons. These aren't even buttons. Those aren't even buttons. They're glued in, so you could at least modify them. Those are fake buttons, unless they're touch buttons. Maybe they're touch buttons. Because one's concave and one's not. Very strange. But you got two buttons, or you can put an LED indicator there, a rotary dial, or an encoder, a little LCD or something. That'd be a cute little control unit. I just really like the quality of the case. It looked nice in the package. I'm glad I bought it because it definitely feels nice. It was satin finish. It's just cute. I like it. I could totally see. I could probably turn this into a little desktop power supply. The little dial and a screen, or I'll probably split that into a different video reviewing this. Till next time.